That's not what I want, hon. Baka wala na talaga ako, no? At saka sa kabilang buhay. Hi guys, good morning! I just get up. Anyway, I got up like 6 o'clock and then now I let the dog out. It's 7:05 now. But good morning, guys! Hey, Hubs! Hey! Have tea bag! Have tea bag! No. No. You are not good. I flipped that over on the side, guys, because I cleaned that up and it's kind of wet. So, Misty, come in. Oh, she's trying to poop. It's kind of chilly today. Look at this too. Hubs with into that light little room over there. Look what happened, guys. Look. Roxy, no. He's going to hurt you if you do that. Ay, nako. It's right here. Hello guys, the gardener show up. I don't know, my face is kind of red. Anyway, I don't feel like vlogging today. I decided, I don't want to vlog today. I have, you know, like I have few clips anyway and stuff like that. But it kind of feel weird. I'm always vlogging every day. There is few days that I don't vlog when I have extra video to upload. Yung face ko guys nagre-red. At saka, yeah, sometimes I don't feel like doing that. If I have some extra, why not, you know, to relax. But can I just tell you guys, I've been vlogging, daily vlogging since, I told you already, November last year. And it kind of feel weird. I'm doing something and I'm not talking to you guys. I just love holding the camera. I don't get bored for some reason. And the gardener was here. And the only thing that the gardener didn't really cut it, but whatever. But they came here today, they're here. And I want to eat some of my banana beride. Okay, my banana beride. I hope you won't get tired of me guys wearing the same over and over. It's nothing changes on me. You know, like. Where's the blanket? Ay nako, look at these two dogs. They like to drag this bed of them. I like when Hobbs to be in the blanket. You can be in the blanket, my love. My love, go to the blanket, my love. Ay naku, bug. So anyway guys, Tommy called me. He's on the way to his appointment. He has an MRI today. I told him, Han, are you sure, Han, you don't want me to be there? Han, are you sure that you're gonna be fine? Are you sure that... He said, why you have to come here and drive and waste the gas just to stay with me? That they just picture my arm, because the arm has been months and months already guys that he's having problem with that. And because it takes forever to get the MRI appointment, because he had to contact somebody and contact this, because he injured his arm at work, so he need to be compensation something like that, but connected to work, and then the insurance don't have to pay for it. So the work thing, the government work thing, that will do fine. It's just a lot of America guys. It's confusing. So it takes forever, and then hopefully, I don't know guys, Tommy think that it will be surgery. He need a surgery with that. After MRI, then you will know that if Tommy needs surgery for his arm, and that's gonna be really bad guys, because it's gonna be really bad. He can't carry anything. One arm is useless because, you know, you have to be take care of your arm. And so it makes me like feel sad for him, and he's not used to it. He's been working in his life and he doesn't even feel like, you know, he's going to work anyway. He says if that's going to happen, I'm gonna have the banana bread, guys. I'm just watching this weird show. It's not weird, it's kind of scary show about the show that it's like a hoarder buried alive. It's really scary and shocking at the same time. It's like, it's amazing how people hoard their things. And now I see myself living, nakita ko yung sarili ko na nakatira sa ganyan. Hindi naman na sobrang ganyan na talaga na wala ka ng malakaran. Yeah, noon yung pagdating ko dito sa isang bahay, hindi talaga ako makalakad, guys. I mean, makalakad naman ako. Pero hindi naman talaga, yung parang pathway lang ang madaanan mo at saka sa gilid-gilid na may mga gamit. Hindi naman wala namang mga bugs, mga cockroaches na wala naman, pero sobrang dami lang na naka-file niyo. Yung kainan doon sa isang bahay, guys. Wala talaga yung kainan na yan. Nakabundok talaga yun. Lahat yung mga gamit na kahit ano doon, mga papilis, mga importanteng gamit na nakakalat lang doon. Mga kahit ano-ano. At saka yung ko, sabi ko, wala tayong palaging nakainan. Doon tayo sa kusina palagi. Nandun kami sa kitchen palagi. At saka yung kitchen table na yun, malinis siya kasi palagi namin nililinis kasi doon kami kumakain. Pero nung napapagod na ako, guys, na ganun palagi, nililinis ko talaga yan, guys. 2 weeks ata yung paglilinis ko. At fina-file ko yung mga importanteng papilis ng ina niya, mga ganyan. Tinatapon ko yung mga magasin na tinambak niya. Yung may tools naman yung asawa ko sa ilalim ng lamisa. Pero nasa bag siya. So, yun na lang yung mga bag ko. Mga bag na yun, mga wires at tools. Nilagay ko sa basement. So, pero marami talaga mga papilis, mga So, yun ang nangyari. So, kaya, hindi nga siya malinis tignan, pero mas okay. Pero mas okay na yan compare noon. Na sobra talaga. Guys, if you are new in my channel, yes, I am talking English. Even English is not really for me. I mean, it's not really for me. It's for me to, hindi lang para sa inyo yung English. So nag-i-English lang ako kasi I'm talking in English that, I will learn myself. I don't care. It's not gonna kill me, guys, that I am talking in English and then the pronunciation is bad. And sometimes I don't know the English. Sometimes grammar, all the time grammar is wrong, all the time pronunciation is wrong, and so just let me be, okay, guys. I just want to talk English. My husband is American, so why not Americanize me, okay? Americanize me. I'm going to eat lunch first, guys, before I'm going to film. How the focus, why this camera is really bad. Just watching the show, it makes me sad. It makes me sad. Ay, nako. Hilak-hilak pa, more. Sige, hilak ba, day? Mura pa kang Pinoy, day. I am done filming. Oh my god, I waxed my hair over here in the side. Tomorrow is Friday, so...
What are you doing?
I am FaceTiming with my husband.
Oh, yeah, hon.
FaceTiming.
A camera with a camera. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm FaceTiming.
What are you thinking?
Yeah, I miss him. I miss seeing him, guys. So that's it. Pansit. So I'm just gonna talk to him and... Yep, I'm just going to talk to him. Nice.
Wait.
How many people are eating?
10.
Stupid.
Well, I'm not here the rest of the weekend. This way there's leftovers.
Those leftovers not gonna be touched. You still have leftover from the restaurant here.
Over there?
Yeah.
What you got? You got leftovers.
No, the leftover that you ordered for the trio.
Yeah. No, not much left. I'm making coffee. Coffee. Very slow coffee.
Yeah. He's so handsome.
Yeah, sure.
Ay, Dios. Ay, naku.
No, I put a napkin under the iPad. This way it doesn't slide on the table.
Hi, honey. Baby ko, oy, baby ko. It's 5 o'clock already.
I know. I gotta get cooking. I get it.
No, it's just like it's just really fast.
It's over time for bed.
Yeah. Yeah, you should, like cook it now and then eat early and then relax, that you have time. You're not gonna rush to go to bed.
I start cooking shortly.
Yeah, every time you talk, Roxy's head is going to the other country. It's so weird in the house that there's no cats even, right?
Yeah, it sucks. I should have got a little kitten to sit there and take a picture with the kitten so the house could sit there and see me with a kitten.
You're right, because he understands, nako.
He understands that I'm holding a kitten.
No.
His eyes might get big.
In Ria, if he see you with a kitten, probably, but not picture, hon.
Maybe. You never know what they feel.
Dimples is wanting to go to the second floor bedroom in my filming room.
Yeah.
He lie down over there in the door, and I don't really want her to go there because she did an accident before, and you know her, once she did it, that spot, she will keep doing it. Is it not windy over there?
I don't know, it's beautiful up to me.
So, are you gonna do oh yeah, that lamp has been forever in the refrigerator, in the box. Freezer, yeah. I'm ugly, right?
Hi, hon. You know I hate that shit.
Look at me. Right? That's not what I want, hon. Yeah. Honey? Honey. What happened? Honey, you hide your face before you shoot me the crazy. What are you doing? That looks like Hub's butt. I like Hub's butt, hon. What are you doing, honey? Now that's his dimples. I'm so proud. I'm gonna hold you to go grocery. So proud. Monkey.
Puppy, yuppie it. Puppy, yuppie it. Relax. Get a relax. Daddy's gotta start making food.
Okay, I will talk to you later.
Yeah, talk to you later.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Hi guys, good morning. I'm going to do insert shout out for today's video. Hi to Melissa Cervantes. Happy birthday, sis. Happy birthday. Tomorrow is your birthday. Hi, happy birthday. And because today is 11 and tomorrow is 12 here in the US, so hi, happy birthday advance. And also hi to her boyfriend Joaquin from Spain. And also hi to Ginilyn Lamis and to Lamis family sa Pinas. Hi! And also hi to Mirna Lampayan. Hi Mirna! And also shout out to Hins Tanalion. Hi Hins Tanalion. Hi! So that's really it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and into this video. And also guys, I hope you do like this video. Thank you. Good morning. Bye. It's just like we've been talking and said, what the heck, I want to see him. I miss him so much. Why not freaking FaceTime? Oh my god, FaceTime. I want to see my baby, so I did FaceTime. What do you want? Are you hungry, bug? Huh? What is it? I think I know what he's asking for. I think he's asking for food. Food. Look at that, he gets so excited, guys. Food! You're asking for food? Is that what you're asking for? Fine, I'll do something. I'm gonna give you that daddy. This, guys. So, and look at this. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna eat early, so I'm just gonna eat lo mein and that's it. Ba't makati ito? Sobrang kati, guys. Ito, guys. Oh, makati siya. Makati. Nagdudugo na siya, ay. Dumudugo. Nagdudugo. Anyway, guys. Imagine ko lang, guys. While I'm looking outside, guys. There's a lot of trees outside now. And I was thinking, why this camera is freaking bad. I was sitting down here, I was thinking, while I'm you know, my just staring at the back of my house, it's really a lot of trees now. You know, yung unang asawa ko, yung lalaking nagdala sa akin dito. 'Di ba? If you watch my story about yung nakaraan ko dito, kung nakita niyo yung video na yon, na-imagine ko lang, no, na kapag nung time na yon, kung pinatay niya ako, hindi naman nangyari. Pero kung ano lang, no, naano ko lang sa isip ko ba, na paano kaya, no, kung tinira niya ako, wala ako dito, or ngayon, at saka, wala ako dito. At saka may din sa isip ko na, baka wala na talaga ako, no? May existence lang. Yung sa kabilang buhay, parang buhay pa rin ako. At saka, ganito ang life ko sa kabilang buhay. Ako, guys, na-imagine ba yun ninyo yun, guys? You know, there is some accident happen in your life that, or something that you think that, you know, you probably die, or if somebody, you know, the accident or some, you know, like what happened to me, yung may pistola, yung nakaraan ko, yung lalaki. Paano kung pinatay niya ako? Wala ako dito. Hindi ko nakikita yung mga gandang tanawin sa likod ng bahay ko. So, naintindihan niyo ako, guys, na parang baka wala na talaga ako, no? At saka sa kabilang buhay, continue pa rin ang mga pangyayari. Alam nyo ba yun? Yung naisip ko yun eh. Ako sa isip ko ba? Ba't naisip ko ba yun? Ay, kasi ako dun sa kahoy, mga kahoy. So yun lang, naisip ko lang yun, guys. Parang hindi naman pinag-isipan. Parang lang na, while I'm looking ahead, it's just like come up into my mind. And somebody also asked me, I'm sorry guys, I just like to put my hand in above my head and then touch my ear. I tickle myself, guys. That's what I do. I like tickle myself. It's sarap talaga mag tickle. Hindi naman ganyan, oy. Yung mga ganyan. Tickle. Ay, okay. Bago ko pag-usapan yung may nagtatanong sa akin tungkol sa Mahilig kami ni Taming maggitik-gitik. Mahilig kami. We like to, you know, gitik-gitik. Yung mga, at saka, yung mga ganyan bago matulog. Pagkatapos ng gitik-gitik, Wala gitik-gitik lang guys ha. Walang halong-halong Mahilig kami magitik-gitik. Pero matagal nang hindi na namin nagawa yung gitik-gitik kasi hindi kami parang busy, parang na kami busy. Andito na rin ako, andun siya. What are you doing, Rox? Rox is in the dining room. About the citizenship, guys. Yung citizenship na yon, matagal na gusto ko pero ako na parang wala pang gana guys wala pa akong ganang mag-apply sa citizenship. Kung hindi man ako maka-apply this coming 2019, that means I'm going to renew my green card. That's all I have to do. Kasi marami pa. May yung passport ko dapat pang i-renew. I think this year. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. I need more ice cream. I need more ice cream. Perfect. It is very cold out here, guys. Yeah, look at me. I don't even continue what I'm doing over there. It sucks. Oh, Tommy is sprayed the grasses, guys. Look, it died. Oh my god, namamatay na sila, guys. Look, namatay. So, I'm gonna go to bed after this done. And I'm just gonna watch it. And then go to bed. This video, guys, is so cute, guys. Look at this. The dog is so cute. It's so duper cute. Oh my god. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna end this vlog, guys. I'm not gonna take it long because I've been in my cell phone. I just want to relax. I've just been in my cell phone, my laptop the whole day. And yeah, so yun lang guys. Wala nang magawa, guys. Itong sabaan na to, oh, grabe ka sabaan, oh. Yeah, you are sabaan. She just keep itching, though. Every time I put that collar on him, on her, she just keep itching. So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Good night, guys. Sandwich is this, a chicken tuna. Oh, it tastes like chicken. It's not tuna. You know, this is very pretty, but this is the show, guys. I saw this in the